you? You like movies?
Yeah.
Do you want to make movies?
Yeah.
Check this out.
I'm Patrick. And I teach Intensive Film Workshop. In this class, you learn about camera movement and dolly shots. You'll learn everything you need to know about video production.
Including how to use a green screen. Like this one.
Patrick successfully evades the dinosaurs. Then Patrick says, we will learn all about script writing and pre-production.
You can shoot or edit on your phone, or even on your tablet, or whatever else you got. So I hope to see you this summer in the Intensive Film Workshop online. Link is in the description.